Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this 3D shadow effect behind the video using Capcut. So to start, you can just launch the Capcut applications on your phone and then tap on new project and choose videos or photos that you want to edit. So in this case, I'm going to use a photo. For example, here I'm going to just use this photos right here. You can tap on add, and now what you need to do is just a duration if it's a photo to how you like it, and then you can go straight to effects at the bottom, video effects, and in here you can just swipe to the left until you find the spark category. Click on a spark category and then select the flame frame effect. This one's right here. Click on that effect. Wait until it applies to your clip or photo. Okay, so now let's just click on a check icon after it apply. Don't forget to adjust so that the effects apply to whole clips or photo like this. And now tap on adjust to make some adjustment on the effects. Now what you need to do is make the color and filter to 0, just like this. Swipe it to the left, and then for the speed also 0, and next for the size make it 100, just like this, and the intensity to 0, just like so. Click on a check icon. So now the video will float just like this, and what you need to do is click on the clips or the image and then enlarge it so that it fits or cover the whole screen, just like this. Now you can just go back and find the background options. Swipe, tap on background, choose blur, and here you can just choose the intensity that you want. I'm going to go with the second one. Click on a check icon and click on the image again and downsize it like this, and just like that. And now you'll see a 3D shadow frame or behind the video or clip or photo, just like this. And this will be the result. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.